Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have this 5 gigahertz adapter for my PC. Let's unbox this, and I'm going to be doing a review on this as well.
Every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah.
This is from the company TP-Link, and it's compatible with Windows as well. Let's open this real quick.
Answer all my questions just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby.
This supports 5 gigahertz. This is a CD which will help us to install the drivers, and finally this is the adapter. This is how it looks like.
Memories might let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it, 'cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions just to show me.
Okay guys, so I am in my PC and I have inserted my CD and the adapter. Let's run the program and select this. Let it install for some time now. Now you wanna click OK. The drivers have installed. Now let's go ahead and connect our Wi-Fi.
What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
My Wi-Fi has been connected now. Let's go to speedtest.net. Note, this video is not sponsored by Speedtest. Let's click go.
Don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again.
Okay, we're getting some nice speed, 60 Mbps download speed, and the upload speed is also somewhere around 60 Mbps. This was a quick unboxing and review about the adapter. Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.